Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This is 2011 Toyota Tacoma B6. What is the model? 1GRFE, right? Very good engine. And the customer came for the maintenance. Also I filmed for you the noisy wheel bearing and the front driver side. So you probably saw the video already. Now, I brought it up to his attention in past inspection and he's finally doing it. He's replacing, or I'm replacing for him on this 1GRFE V6 engine with this custom TRD intake, reusable filter inside. I'm replacing spark plugs. And I would like to show you example how you should not let it go, how far these spark plugs are, and it should not happen in the first place. Shockingly, this Tacoma is driving fine. There's no check engine light, there are no problems like that. I just scanned it for a different reason. There's no misfires recorded in the memory yet. The spark plugs are in very bad shape. It just shows how Toyota vehicles are programmed, designed, and they are tolerant to the abuse. I believe if it was different brand, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, the person we will have these check engine lights way sooner, but Toyota vehicles are pretty tolerating a lot of abuse. I will call it abuse because it's 160,000 miles. It could be original spark plugs. Obviously I'm sticking with a Densos, as you know me, and I will show you, I have it here on the badge, the comparison and how bad they are. I might need different camera for the detail of it. These lenses, prime lenses, they cannot get very close to the object. The minimum focusing distance, it's not very close, but brand new Denso K20HR-U11. I'm not sure if you can see it. The gap is minimal and it should be 1.1 millimeter. These tips on these spark plugs are completely gone. They are burnt off. The hook is present, right, if I can call this hook, but the tips are completely burnt. The gap is at least double, if not more. I will try, grab the iPhone, and let's see if we can get closer to it. Maybe I should choose a different background. Instead of black, maybe I should use the white background, but I think, yeah, look at that iPhone, what a great camera it has. So you see 1.1 millimeter. This is not adjustable, don't try to adjust it when you buy it. And look, you see this gap and this gap. Let's put them right next to each other, just two of those. Do you see that? Now, what's at stake? Why am I making such a big deal of it? Well, you might have a misfire and drivability which you don't want to happen to have, but in theoretical world you can also damage the coils, and the spark plugs are not so expensive. The coils are very expensive, and you don't want to, because this gap became too far, you don't want to damage the coil. That will be completely different cost of repairs. So I want to bring up this to your attention. This should be maintained on these V6s. I believe the interval is 60,000 miles only. And please now leave the computer and go check your spark plugs. Here just you can see the coil. You can imagine that's completely different. If the spark plugs are each $10, this coil is easily $100. So I guess you got my point, right? So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.